What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with another vehicle spotlight for you. So this is James' truck. He drove all the way out here from Jersey. We're gonna throw a 6-inch BDS on it, some 20x10s and 35s. Let's go.
What's up, guys? So we got the 15 F-150 finished up. We got the 6-inch BDS on it and the SOTAs and Nittos, so let's check it out. Now inside for the lift itself, you've seen these BDS kits 100 times. We've done a lot of them. You'll see the cross member down here with the BDS logo in it. Again, it's a BDS kit, so it's a strut spacer kit. On the SOTAs, he went with the spiked lug nuts, so they stand out really well. SOTA's got a small center cap there, so the spikes are very pronounced. To fit these bad boys, so we got the 35 12.5 R20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Obviously the most popular tire right now because it's an amazing hybrid. It is wrapped around these SOTA Awols in the anthracite finish. So off this Highland green finish that the truck comes, the anthracite finish really pops. Now, because it's a 10 wide and SOTA does have a wide offset, it's still relatively safe inside the fender. So if you look down the side here, it's only sticking out like 2 inches. If you really had an issue with how far they stick out, you throw a set of flares on here and it's gonna completely take that away. Now in the back, he went with the 5-inch block, so it gives it a little bit of rake on there, and the Fox shocks for that awesome ride quality. So in addition to the stuff we did here, he already had some aftermarket taillights on here. He did an aftermarket front grille, Raptor style grille, and then he's got the windows tinted already. So just adding the lift and the wheels really sets this truck off, and he's gonna go tear up Jersey with it. It's gonna be sweet.